G'day guys, BJ from Edencraft. I'm just going to give you the latest rundown of the latest boat about to come out of the factory. Harry's come down today to pick up his new 233. So what we might do is to show you a few options of what Harry selected on his boat. So as you can tell, he's gone the transom mount. He's opted for the twin 200 Suzuki's. We love that option on this boat. That is absolutely ideal for this boat. Obviously he's gone the wheelhouse, and another great option for Harry. He's gone for the radar, the Halo 24 up on top, along with a couple of Go digital controlled spotlights. So they're really cool. On the roof, it's all custom stainless steel to suit what Harry was after. Also gone for a trailer bra, and it sits upon a 4-ton easy tow trailer with a rotating spare and full stainless steel upgrades. So what I might do is take you around the back and we'll show you these nice big Suzuki's. So we've got here, as you can see, the twin 200 Suzuki's. So they're 4-cylinder, nice and light, plenty of power, and they're fly-by-wire. So like I said, suits this boat very nicely. I water tested this boat myself on Saturday. It ran superb, done everything we wanted to do. Very happy with it. Lenco trim tabs, custom stainless steel plates that we make in-house. We make them just a bit thicker, a bit tougher, just suits our boats a bit nicer. Okay guys, so we're in Harry's wheelhouse. Let's get a bit of rundown of the electronics he's chosen for this boat. He's gone for Simrad and Furuno. So twin 12-inch Simrads, Evo 3s, with a Halo 24 up on the roof. Also he's gone for the Furuno 295 with a SS175 high wire transducer. On the other side of me here, he's also gone for the VHF in the Simrad, like an RS40, and then for the Fusion stereo, so an RA55 Fusion stereo with a couple of speakers up under the hardtop here. So up you see here, we've got this nice overhead cabinet here in our wheelhouse. Super functional, great spot to put radios, a few switches for wipers and things like that as well. Up on the hard top here, so Harry's gone for all his stainless. As you can tell, high intensity work lights, just for when you need that little bit of extra light down here on the deck, and also gunwale lighting when you need that little bit less subtle light. All right, down the back of the boat here, with all our twin engine setups, we run 3 batteries. So a dedicated battery for each engine, and then a house battery. We've got 2 batteries on this side, house battery over this side. We run beep switches with VSRs. Rural pumps, so we've got rural bilge pump down the bottom there, 3,700 gallon pump, runs on a float switch with also a manual bypass. We've got the rural light bank tank pump to fill up the tank here. Little LED light in the tank, looks really cool at night. And also the Japsco dash wash kit down the back here. So very handy when you're out and about, it's a bit messy, give her a quick wash down. The Edencraft bait board. Rod holders, cup holders, whatever you like, nice and simple. And the custom snapper racks that Harry's designed as well. So ultimately, very happy with the boat. Beautiful boat, run beautifully. Harry's happy, everyone's happy, that's what we're after. And yeah, good, another boat out the door, happy days.